Every project begins the same, with an idea and a place to build it. A workbench isn't just part of your workshop. It's where every plan becomes reality. Ready for every challenge, every material, every new idea. With a solid beech top built to take real weight. And 2 rows of dug holes that grip any size of stock. Built to support your work on a block-laminated base that stays rock solid. Designed to grow with your skills. From hobby to pro, in the size your workshop needs. Reliable project after project. Because great craftsmanship isn't about working harder. It's about working with confidence. From the first cut to the final detail. Diamond. Built for every project that comes next.